So good day everyone, this is Marielle again, and for today's video, we will be talking about the importance of experiments in teaching science. We will be tackling more about the different studies about importance of experiments. So without further ado, let's start with the discussion. So according to Doherty 2011 and Safaruddin et al. 2020, experimental teaching can be defined as a procedure carried out to support predetermined assumptions. Hands-on activities are included in the procedures to engage and motivate students to learn in the science classroom. So this study explains that experiments in science foster discoveries and learning. Learning science requires the exploration of new ideas. It is something that teachers are unable to provide to students. So during their quest for knowledge, students must discover new ideas and concepts for themselves. All experiments involve gathering data or watching actions in order to answer a question or solve a problem. So these are some few of them. So according to Wonderly 2007, the students' lack of interest is due to the manner in which they are taught. In a way, they are transmitted in such a way that concepts are taught solely through theory. What is boring for most students is that it is not applicable to various aspects of everyday life and is therefore considered only to be memorized. So according to Oliveira and colleagues in 2005, in general, conducting an experiment that promotes logical thinking, example maybe in a game, a play, or even the use of comics in the classroom. These methods that go beyond traditional and formal education to make teaching and learning less monotonous in order to attract students' attention. This provides a significant incentive for a science education. These few studies that we have discussed led us to the conclusion or the idea that when we teach as educators, especially in the field of science, we must pick students' interest and allow them to make their own discoveries about what is important and applicable in everyday life. And experiments is a way that can be used to accomplish this. Exploring through experiments is therefore essential in a science classroom. So we should discourage monotonous teaching in order to have the result, in order for us to be a successful educators, particularly in science, which is critical because science is one of the sources of knowledge. So I will be giving you some of examples of activities or experiments that may awaken students' interest. Discovering effects of different kinds of music is one of an experiment. Mixture of different colors, or even about different kinds of germs, discovering different kinds of germs. So that's some of the few activities that I can share. So I hope that you have learned something, you got something out of this video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and until next time. Bye-bye.